We're about to embark on a journey outside. Oh no, that wouldn't be cool. Okay.
Dad's like, where you going? I quickly close the door.
Put the light back on. Oh shit! This got so deep so fast. Ew. Okay. We gotta go. We gotta hustle. We're almost there to the top of the mountain. Okay. We are recording live from 420 South Victory Street. And this is Redunculous. And
a once in a lifetime.
Once in a lifetime chance. Just like when you unvirginize yourself. Oh. Whoa. Ah! Oh my god, it's blowing in my face.
Can you see the flicker from this?
Yeah. It's pretty good. Ooh, I can't breathe.
Hey, I dare you to go in the middle of the street.
You dare me to go in the middle of the street?
Let's go. Stupid.
Nuts? I dare you, you're heavier.
Yeah, it'll still blow me away. Hey, go, see how deep it's going.
I'm not going in the street. I just want to record.
Are you recording?
Yeah.
Are you going?
Kind of feel like running in the street. Oh, you have 2 minutes. You want to record me?
Yeah.
No, but the power lines, I'm scared.
It's over there.
No, it's right here.
Oh. You might want to avoid that.
What if I go over here? Here, just hold it.
You take the flashlight? The recording?
Yeah. I don't want to. I'm scared. I have 2 minutes.
2 minutes and 27 seconds ready. Be a man. I'm scared. This is the last video we'll see of Freddy. In the middle of the... Stupid. Where? Is it getting deeper? Man.
Crazy stop shoveling.
He's gonna call the police on us.
He's like, what the? Never felt more of a man in my life. Okay. Now we have to do... Stay. No, over. Good boy. Everybody shoveling. Let's go. Climb this mountain. Look at him go. Come on, buddy. You're almost there. Keep pushing. Pepe, you're king of the mountain. Over here, Pepe. Uh-oh. You're stuck. Oh, no. Look at my Pepe love. Pepe, you king of the mountain. Yeah, you are. Yeah, you are. Stay. Good boy. Just so you get a glimpse of how, well, yeah, snow's that high because of shoveling and snow. But together, look how pretty the tree looks. Pepe, what do you have to say to everybody in the world? Huh? You look like a snow dog. Apparently there's something wrong with our cars, so. You ready to go? Let's go. Inside. Whoop! Uh-oh. Hope you're okay. Come on.
Ten. Ten.